Thinking about buying DEWALT? Hold off for just a minute. I found several Amazon deals with savings up to 50% off, and a few of these are the lowest price I've seen in quite a while. Let's take a look. First, we got the DEWALT 20 volt 15 degree lithium ion cordless coil roofing nailer kit. $304.49. Normally it's $438.55. This comes with a battery and a charger and a very nice carrying case. Then we have DEWALT's 20 volt max XR 12-inch double bevel sliding miter saw. This is tool only, but it's still quite a bargain at $4.99. It's normally $6.99. DEWALT's 20 volt max double bevel, and this one's fixed, not a sliding, fixed miter saw. Tool only, $3.49, down from $3.99. DEWALT's 20 volt max drywall screw gun, tool only, $116.98, down from $179. DEWALT's 20 volt max random orbital sander kit meaning it comes with the battery and charger, $190.56, down from $279. DEWALT's 20 volt max XR brushless cordless 7¼ inch circular saw with the battery and charger, $279.05, down from $379. DEWALT's 20 volt XR 1/2 inch brushless cordless hammer drill kit. It's got an 8 amp hour battery and charger. Heck of a deal at $248.99. That battery probably costs that much. List for $349. DEWALT's 20 volt max hand vacuum, wet or dry, 1/2 gallon tank. This is a bare tool, $120.67, down from $159. Here's a nice DEWALT cordless screwdriver. It's the 4 volt USB rechargeable. It's 12-piece bits, $77.99, down from $91.98. Here's a nice DEWALT grease gun kit, 20 volt max. It's got the 4 amp hour battery and a charger. It is 42-inch hose, 10,000 PSI. Very nice set, $249, down from $299. Comes with a nice plastic case. DEWALT's 20 volt max XR cutoff tool, bare tool only, $118.99, down from $219. Quite a savings on that one, $100. DEWALT's 20 volt max impact driver, 1/4 inch torque. It's brushless at 3-speed. It's got the extended run time. It's a tool only now for $124.90 from $169. Here's the belt sander in the Max series. This is also brushless, tool only for $227, down from $329. So you save $100 on this one as well. Here's the Max LED work light, tool only, $68.29, down from $109. Here's the 20 volt max impact driver, battery and charger included on this deal, $99, down from $179. That's nearly half price. What a deal. DEWALT's 20 volt cordless 4.5 inch paddle switch grinder. This is the bare tool only, $120.25, down from $199. So you're saving $79. Here's DEWALT's 20 volt angle grinder, 4.5 inch with a paddle switch and a kickback brake, tool only, $152.95, down from $249. So nearly $100 savings on that one as well. And it is a bestseller as it shows. Here's DEWALT's 20 volt max LED work light, rechargeable, pivoting head. It's the bare tool, $45.10, down from $89. Here's DEWALT's 20 volt max cordless shop vac. It's a 2 gallon. It is the tool only for $136.11, down from $199. Here's DEWALT 20 volt max orbital sander, tool only, $92.99, down from $179. Nearly half price on that one. DEWALT's 20 volt max LED work light, flashlight. It is the tool only for $31.95, down from $84. And here's DEWALT's 20 volt Max 5 amp hour lithium ion battery. This is a 2-pack. Heck of a deal at $149. You're saving nearly $100 on that pair. If you enjoy finding the best tool deals before they're gone, hit subscribe. I cover Harbor Freight, Home Depot, Lowe's, Amazon, Ryobi, Milwaukee, Hercules, Bauer, DEWALT deals every week. So please join me, and until that next video, y'all take care.